Our label and proactive stewardship program is designed to inform every stakeholder in the crop protection supply chain about the safe handling of our AgLogic AldiCarb 15GG and how to help protect the environment and non-target species. Since the reintroduction of AgLogic AldiCarb to the market in 2016, distributors, dealers, growers, and applicators have been required to complete and pass an online stewardship certification course intended to educate them about safely using the product and knowing the product label. AgLogic AldiCarb is a unique granular pesticide that protects labeled crops from the devastating impact of nematodes, thrips, mites, aphids, plant bugs, leafhoppers, and whiteflies. It promotes healthier roots, greater crop vigor, and faster grow-off. AgLogic often replaces several foliar pesticide sprays and increases yields. A comprehensive stewardship program is essential to protecting these benefits. This starts with the required completion of an online bilingual certification course. There are two versions, one for growers and applicators and another for distributors and dealers. These courses are designed to inform stakeholders about proper safety precautions, storage, transportation, sales, and field use of AgLogic AldiCarb. The course is mandatory for every stakeholder in the crop protection supply chain from the distributor to the grower and applicator. As required by our stewardship agreement, distributors have a legal obligation to adhere to all handling and storage instructions and to only sell AgLogic to verified stewardship course certificate holders. This system helps ensure best management practices from our manufacturing plant to the field. As with any pesticide, it's mandatory to apply AgLogic only to approved crops and strictly according to label directions. Product labels attached to the AgLogic packages, crop consultants, and online resources are available to provide information about this first step. AgLogic granules must be completely buried and/or incorporated below the soil surface using motorized ground application equipment for optimal uptake by plant roots and to minimize any potential off-target environmental exposure. These application practices help improve product performance, control yield-robbing early-season pests, and maximize crop harvests. One of the key label requirements is the observation of drinking water well setbacks to prevent any contamination of underground water sources. Proper incorporation of the product below the soil surface using motorized ground equipment is important to prevent exposure to wildlife and runoff into nearby streams or water bodies. AgLogic is committed to ensuring our products are always used responsibly. Any deviation from the label directions or misuse of the product is an unacceptable and illegal application. Each box and bag of AgLogic is printed with a barcode that is used to track AgLogic throughout the distribution system, from manufacturing to the grower. This helps ensure the product reaches its destination and is used only as permitted by certified applicators. Label requirements include the proper use of personal protective equipment and clothing to minimize applicator exposure to the product. This includes chemical-resistant gloves, long-sleeved clothing, long pants, socks, chemical-resistant footwear, and protective eyewear. The AgLogic Stewardship Agreement also requires the proper disposal of empty bags and boxes, along with the locked storage of partially open boxes or bags containing AgLogic AldiCarb. For more than 45 years, AldiCarb has protected billions of dollars of cotton, dry bean, peanut, soybean, sugar beet, and sweet potato crops from nematodes, early-season piercing and sucking, and chewing insects. To get the full benefits of AldiCarb, always remember to read the label, wear protective clothing, footwear, and eyewear while handling, calibrate for accurate rates needed by crop and pest, incorporate granules below the soil, strictly observe drinking water well setbacks, dispose of empty containers properly, follow label directions. We're strongly committed to the ensuring proper stewardship of AgLogic AldiCarb to provide maximum user and environmental safety. When properly applied, AgLogic AldiCarb provides outstanding performance. It protects the grower's investment, reduces the need for foliar insecticide applications, and often maximizes yields. Please be responsible and only use strictly as directed.